Squatch. I got this stuff in for my flash. I wasn't expecting it to get here this fast. When I ordered it, I thought it said 12 days of shipping, so I didn't know I was going to be making another one this fast. Anyway, Squatch has a sad click wheel. It's no clicking anymore. Well, I mean, it's the center button, so we gotta replace the click wheel. But now that we got the iFlash in, we can put in the 128 gigabyte SanDisk card. 128 is where most iPods are happy at. It's plenty of space for plenty of music, and I believe that these can shuffle up to 30,000 tracks, so should be perfect for it. It's right in its happy space. So first, clean up. First, we need a donor, and this is the one that's gonna give it up its click wheel. But it's working. That's the thing, though. This was not working before. I'll even show you. I'll open it up, and you'll see where I've written on the hard drive, bad. But yes, we know. Go away. There you go. Okay. So I don't really want to use the new fancy tool on Squatch, but I will use it on Sacrificial one. So let's see. Think this one. This side was a bit easier. Okay, there we go. So yeah, someone's been in here because the plastic trim on the bottom is loose. And I had this one open before, and oh, bad. This drive is bad. Bad. I already tested it and everything. So let's see. First thing I like to do is I like to disconnect the battery, just so they don't. Get to the battery. Fine. Now if I haven't totally destroyed the headphone jack, get that off. I got tools. I got tools for doing stuff proper and whatnot. I want the green flavored one. Do it by hand. It's useless. You're destined to donate your organs to the Squatch. Disconnect click wheel cable. Beans. Oh boy. Come on. Come on. Hey. I just need to get the click wheel out. Come on. So terrifying. Where did I put Squat? There we go. Alright, now the gaps are a little sad, so I'm wondering if someone's been in it already. We'll find out. There we go. Gently does it. Gentle with the squatch. I spelled squatch wrong. S-Q-U. Squatch. Barely legible. Ooh, let's do, yeah. That is one spicy pillow. I thought that the the center button's working properly now. Oh, I have another one that's doing that. That's probably what it is. Holy cow, that is dangerous. Let's get as many of the potential victims out of here as possible. Never to be plugged in again. Terrifying. Oh my gosh. For that battery. Why do I keep touching it? Oh, I gotta undo the cable. Somebody, there you go. It's okay, me boy. You're safe now. Oh man, I don't want to just pry on it. Hang on. I got a fire extinguisher now. I don't have any isopropyl alcohol. Like, all of my stuff is at the old apartment. Oh, I'm going to go put this out on the porch. Okay. You're safe, my boy. You're fine. The spicy pillow is gone. So, this is the color. The only color I have that works. I was hoping that if the battery was still that I was just going to put it back in here. But since it's not at all it's probably not going to end up getting put back in anything. I'm going to take the battery now. I've had this thing playing for hours now. I went to work. I think I was there for maybe about 4 or 5 hours or whatever. And it's been going, and it only just now turned red. So you're giving up your battery to the Squatch. You are now an organ donor. Congratulations, you have been voluntold. It begins. There we go. Yeah, look at the filth. Whoa. What? Okay. Unplug the battery. Give it up. Oh, it broke it. What? No. Are you serious? God. Oh God, all the pit. Oh no. That's bad. That's bad. Bad. Well, it's not Squatch tape, but it'll have to do. Okay, they're safe now. They can't touch each other. Ugh. There's lots of really good 40s music on here, but I don't want to put this in the good pile, because it's not sanitary. Okay, well, now we need another donor. Okay, well, I guess I'll get the one that's playing over here now. Oh, you got my chunk pad all dirty. I love this song. I hate to do this to this guy, but he's been a winner. I know the battery in this one's good. I have another battery on the way, but I'm just impatient, and the tracking doesn't really work on it, so I don't know when it'll get here. See, I always get to this point where I don't hit the actual clip. I just... This one, wow, it's clean in here. Oh, the hard drive's still a little warm. Against everything I hate, I think I'm gonna take the hard drive out so I can get to the battery connector easier. Okay. Alright. Oh my god, my movie almost crashed. The light from SSD was flashing like mad, so I put a fan on it. I'm gonna save now because I haven't saved yet, I don't think. Alright. Hey. There we go. Alright. We've got a good battery for Squatch now. I'm starting to accumulate iPod carcasses. Alright. For damage or injury caused by the use or installation of this device. If you do not agree, please return this adapter. Oh no. Well, no going back. I've already got this guy formatted. Should be good to go. That would be nice, wouldn't it? It's nice and snug inside that adapter. And we got this. Oh, yes. All right, here we go. All right, just get this OBS run. Just get her plugged up. Come on. Come on. You know why it's not showing up in the computer? You dingus. Why isn't it showing up? Because you're not even plugged in, dummy. iPod. Get started. We're gonna go ahead and restore it. Just to be sure. Bug fixes. Restore. Whatever. Could not be restored. Thanks. Very helpful. What? Oh. Okay, I'm stopping in here until I figure it out.
One eternity later.
I had to put it into disk mode and then click on it in Finder and then hit restore and then it worked. Hey, look at that. 118 gigabytes. Yeah, buddy. Now I'm gonna let it charge. It's the next night. I got it working and I got all my music on it. Hey buddy. Success. SquatchPod is born. Yes. Cool. Thanks for watching. What happened? Anyway, thanks for watching. I don't know what other content I'm gonna do. I've got so many iPods, and I don't want to encroach on DankPod's wheelhouse because that's him. That's what he does. But this entire experience has increased my confidence in video production, I can edit pretty good now, and probably will be cursed to only use iMovie because I'm cheap and it works for what I need. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I might see you in the next one if I keep making videos.